Hi, ducklings. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Uh-oh. Get out of my way. Hey, girl. Oh, that's Thelma. Hi, Thelma. Oh. Excuse me. The little ducklings are getting chased now and then. I don't know why she's chasing them. They were in here swimming. They got chased out, so probably when the bigger ducks are done and they go on their way, then the little guys will get back in. I'm sure they will. Here comes the middle crew. Not quite mature yet. These girls aren't laying eggs yet, but they're gonna be close. Have to be close. I'm gonna have to look that up because I usually keep track of the date they should start laying. Woo! Whoa, I'm moving out. Giving some exercise though, that's good. Another beautiful day. Beautiful evening. Hi guys. The dew point isn't too bad today though. Not bad at all. Just kind of hot. We've got a breeze though. Not bad. Elizabeth, Cubby, Krabby, Einstein's sister, Teddy, Amy, Louise, Aflac and Aflac 2, Alfalfa Jr., Midnight, Drakey Boy, Duck Duck, Thelma, Buffy, whoops, Thelma and Buffy, Smokey, Lizzie, Q-Bird. Q-Bird is down there. Let's Picket, the dumb rooster. Well, hi. Bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got separated. Come on over here. Wow. Oh, safety.